Apple has made it simpler than ever on iOS 16 to protect yourself against threatening people, threats in general, and we have the new security features you're going to want to take advantage of right now. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and I'm walking you through getting your privacy better under control and how to change privacy settings on all of your devices and in social media. Apple's new safety check was designed for anyone at risk of domestic violence, but it can be useful for just about anyone. If you've got an iPhone or iPad, be sure to open up your settings and go to Privacy and Security, scroll down to Safety Check and tap there. Then you can see every person who has access to your shared location, photos, or other shared apps. You can manage all of it there or tap Emergency Reset for a situation you need to remove anyone from having access to anything you've shared from your device right now. There's also a quick exit button on the top of each page in Safety Check so that you can quickly return to your home screen if needed. Next, you're going to want to make sure your phone is automatically updating the most important software security changes without the hassle of notifying you for permission. Go to Settings, tap General, tap Software Update, and tap Automatic Updates. Make sure security responses and system files are toggled on. To find out all the different ways you can adjust your privacy online, head to cyberguy.com/privacy. And while you're there, sign up for my newsletter.